Represent all the refugees because I want to show everyone that after the pain and after the storm come calm days.
Just some few months ago. Yeah, so we cannot compare our time with those who are high level, but we wish we try our level best so that we just do well.
Where do you want to go?
As long as just as school, need school.